I tested the new Whisk AI tool in 2026, and honestly, the results are incredibly fast and surprisingly high quality. Start by opening Chrome or any browser and searching for Whisk AI, then open the website and click on the Start Project button to begin generating images. Once the editor opens, move to the prompt box and describe the exact image you want the AI to create. For example, you can write a prompt like, a cute dog looking out from inside a cardboard box, soft lighting, cozy atmosphere, realistic fur, cinematic style. The more detailed your prompt is, the better and more accurate the generated image will look. After writing your prompt, customize the settings according to your needs. Go to the Image Settings section and change the ratio depending on the style of image you want. For example, you can choose 16:9 for cinematic widescreen images. You can also choose how many images you want the AI to generate at once. Next, switch the version or model setting to Nano Banana 2 for improved image quality and faster processing. Once everything is ready, simply click on the Submit button and wait for the AI image generation process to complete. Within a short time, your image will be ready to preview. Then simply download the final image and use it for social media, thumbnails, designs, or creative projects.